Hey everyone, this is Tom. Today I'm gonna show you and review this Koda LED ceiling light. We got it from Costco. It was for $29.99 on Costco. We just had a room that didn't have enough light, so we thought about getting something a little bit more bright. And this one was just in the right price and the right time. So what's nice about this light, it's a remote control. It can control the light. You don't necessarily have to use the remote control. If you're gonna turn off and on the light switch, the light just gonna turn on the last setting it was on before. So the remote control is pretty much to set up the other feature or adjust the light brightness or color. So to go over the setting. So the installation was very easy. It took me about 5 minutes to replace the existing light that we had. It was just fitting standard light screw holes. It was very, it took about 5 minutes to take off the old one and put back the new one. This light have a built-in motion sensor, so you can actually set up the light to work on a motion sensitivity. And there's different sensitivity that you can set up by distance. And you can set up automatic time to turn off after the motion stopped. So for example, if you choose 5 minutes, after 4 minutes the light will go off to 10%, and after the last minute it's going to turn off completely. Brightness, you can just set the brightness of the light. So one disadvantage is you have to use the remote. You have to aim the remote to the light to actually work. So this is brightness, or you can go all the way minimum or all the way maximum. This is the color, the light color. So it's kind of like orange, dark, warm orange, and cool sunlight temperature. And you can kind of just go in between. Ambient light, the light actually have a light sensor, so ambient light will actually turn on the light on low brightness if there's no light in the room, and when the sun will come up it's going to turn off automatically. So technically it's light sensitivity. Motion sensor, we already talked about it. Time to turn off after the motion stop, and the distance is technically the sensitivity of the light motion. And on off button. Now just so you know, the light does not work with dimmer. So originally I had a dimmer connected, I had to switch it to the other normal on off switch. Otherwise just not gonna work. Now for example, if the light is now off, I turn it off from the remote and the switch is still on. If I'm gonna turn off the switch and turn it back on, the light will come up. So like I said, if you don't know the remote, you can work with it. I will put a link for the same light on Amazon, so you can click on the link and purchase on Amazon. Or if you have Costco, you can go to the local Costco and then just grab one from the shelf. It's a little bit cheaper, but Costco usually have items on and off. So overall, very satisfied, very bright device. It works great, giving me the brightness and the light color that I need. Highly recommend it. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions.